So in this video, I'll explain you how to use the Skills Lab in Coursera. You have to click I agree and open tool. When you click open tool, a new tab will open. There you have to confirm that you are not a robot. Depending on your internet speed as well as the computer you are using, means if you have less or more RAM, or it's faster, slower, it all depends. Like it takes a longer time to load this program because it's generating a virtual computer for you in like virtually loading the software called Python in the virtual computer. So it will take a time to load everything on your browser and give you this Skills Lab network kind of stuff. Here the Skills Lab is loaded, but like your program is not loaded yet. So therefore, if there is a white space while loading, please have patience. It will take few more seconds to load. Then you'll get that Juniper logo symbol, and then that program will be loaded, which you have just clicked on the Skillshare Lab. It will load by default. You can see that currently I'm using functions Python. I'm learning that stuff now. If you just want to scroll down and check like everything, the whole program has been loaded already. What you have to learn here, you can execute each and everything in this program by just clicking one shell after the shell, but just by clicking shift enter, shift enter, shift enter. But the main thing what people struggle here is how to share this document. The instructions are given to right click and then search for an option called share on GitHub. If you click share, you of course have to sign in, and after signing in also people get trouble. They get an error message that the page is not found or the link is broken. Some users report that their link is working, some users, for me also, like the thing is not working. The alternate solution which was explained is to download this in IPYNB format. When you download on Chrome, it will be bottom here, and if you are using any other browser, just find out where you have downloaded that main file there. After that, what you have to do is come back to Chrome. Come back to Chrome and then open the GitHub directly, the GitHub website. In the website, you have to of course have an account, and when you are logged in, click on New Gist. The plus icon on the right, just click on New Gist. In New Gist, you don't have to fill everything whatever given here. Here now will be just clicking, dragging and dropping that thing. Either you can drop it from bottom here, or you can drop it from where you have downloaded it. No need to fill anything. Just on bottom, you can either create this as secret gist, but it's better to recommend to be more popular. Just create it as a public. When you click that button, it will take few seconds again because sometimes the internet connection might be slow. And you can see the whole page what you have had in Skillshare Lab. The whole page is being created as your gist now. Just to see or confirm, you can click your name and then you can click your gist. So you can see this is the one I just created. Then these are the ones which I have published before. So hopefully this solves your problem. Fingers crossed. Thanks for watching.